everyone and welcome to Time to Train. I'm the director, Jeremy Samson. Do you have a loved one with Aspergers or learning difficulty? Do they struggle in the areas of coordination, confidence and social skills? Do they need an overall improvement? Well, have no fear because the Time to Train program is here.
My name is Fraser. I'm currently 12 years old and I'm in the Time to Train program. Hello, today I'm going to show you how good I am at target throwing. Watch my skills.
This was Fraser on day one of his exercise program and his starting out abilities were not so spectacular, showing all the typical signs of an Aspie.
Now I'm going to show you what my forward roll looks like.
To perform a simple forward roll seemed an absolute struggle for Fraser, and to my eyes, this seemed absolutely amazing. The term crawl, meaning slow-paced, was definitely not there in Fraser's demonstration of this exercise.
Okay, now I'm going to show you how well I am at this memory game.
Fraser was given approximately 30 seconds to study this particular picture. Here's what he came up with.
It's not going to be that good. Let's see if we got it right.
Going, come on, do your best.
That's all I can read.
That's all you can remember.
Some of it, I don't know.
Okay.
Thanks for watching and I hope to get better in the Time to Train program.
What the Time to Train program is doing to the Asperger's brain. Physical stimulation. Social stimulation. Emotional stimulation. Mental stimulation. The program is diminishing the old traits of Asperger's and replacing these traits with improved spontaneous thinking. With consistency in this exercise program, we begin to see the results shine through. The Asperger's brain is beginning to change.
The heat is on the street, inside your head, on every beat.
I've been doing my forward roll improve with the help of Jeremy. The standing up is what I've learned. I'm going to try and beat my score at target throwing now.
You're certainly adjusting a lot better now to the target throw exercise.
Of course I am.
Time to Train strives through exercise to assist children, teenagers and adults with Aspergers syndrome and other learning difficulties to improve coordination, increase self-confidence and develop coping skills to enable them to become valued members of our society.
In the future, Jeremy's goal is to create more awareness about Asperger's syndrome by hosting his own television program.
Experience a new life. The next exercise, and it is the memory game challenge. Now last time Fraser did this, he almost scored a perfect score. He got 98 points out of 110. Only 2 cones were incorrect. So what we've decided to do is give Fraser a slightly different memory game challenge. So let's see how Fraser performs at this memory game. Fraser has completed the memory game challenge and every cone is in correct position. So Fraser receives a high skill level score of 10 out of 10. Very well done, Fraser. A simple exercise like catching a ball to everyday kids can be quite an easy thing to do. But for the Asperger's child, it can be quite a complicated task. Here we see Fraser trying numerous attempts to catch the ball and unfortunately not being able to. The Time to Train program combined with natural physical fitness exercise is a big key factor to an adult with Asperger's syndrome. One. This may just look like an ordinary fitness workout, but to Jeff it's much more important, giving him physical stimulation, increasing the mental awareness, as well as giving him a great boost of confidence in his social skills and a much better understanding of his emotions. So what did you get out of that workout, Jeff?
Oh, good workout.
Yeah, so you're huffing and puffing a lot. That's good to see.
The cardio working.
Yep.
The muscles.
Yep, and you're feeling, how do you feel on the inside?
Oh, bloody good.
Yeah, so you reckon
it's... Here, but I feel good later.
Oh, fantastic, excellent. Well, Time to Train also has affordable seminars to attend. For more information, please give me a call, send me an email, or visit the website today. Well, I can't tell you enough just how proud I am of all the students that have come into Time to Train and have walked away with achieving some extraordinary results. Things that I would never be able to even dream of. Students that have very little coordination and physical ability to be able to walk away knowing full well that that they can do things just like everyone else. Even in the social area, to be able to come out and express more confidence and to be able to talk and be more social. The interaction is just unbelievable. So the program does work, and I know that we are onto something quite special and unique here. So it's truly fantastic, and we hope to see you down here in the program real soon.